Have you ever seen a naked bird? No? Then let me explain. Firstly, the reason these birds are being handled is part of licensed tagging work, to collect data about their lives so we can better understand and protect them. So what on earth is going on here? Well, this slightly unnerving sight is only visible during the breeding season, when birds have to sit on eggs or chicks to keep them warm. You see, the problem with feathers is they're good at insulating the bird's own body, but not so good at transferring that warmth to their eggs or chicks. So during the breeding season, adult birds will lose feathers from their bellies, creating this bare bit of skin called a brood patch. Blood then pumps to that area to heat it up, and it's this that then sits on the eggs and chicks to keep them toasty. It's amazing how hidden this patch can be until you blow the feathers apart, and when the breeding season's over, it grows right back to keep that belly warm again.